Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Tucker. Today, we're going to learn how to write an opinion writing. So, last trimester in first grade, we um, learned how to do a how to writing. I believe everybody should remember that. So, remember, we had first, next, then, and last. So, we're going to use some of those words, but we're going to kind of shift it a little bit. So, what we're going to do is obviously you can see I have an Oreo right here. It says Oreo. Why do we have that? I'll explain in a second. So, first, we need to know what an opinion is. An opinion is a belief, judgment, or a way of thinking about something. So, an opinion is um, I like sports. That's my opinion. Somebody else may not like sports. So, that's my opinion. Another opinion um, the best color is blue. Now, you guys may be thinking, that's not my favorite. So that's an opinion. A fact is something that is true, like the sky is blue. That's a fact. An opinion is something, um, an opinion is a belief, judgment, or way of thinking about something. So here's a way that we're going to um, learn how to make an opinion writing. So that's what we're going to do today. So the O stands for opinion. The O is tell your readers how you feel about something. So we're going to do an opinion writing on the best season. So in my opinion, I believe that fall is the best. So then the R stands for the reasons. So I'm going to give three reasons, and those are those magic words: first, next, and then last. All right. So, um, so we have opinion, state the opinion. Then we have three reasons why we like that. So I will have my reasons in a second. In first grade, we kind of skip this one, the examples. So we kind of have just ORO. But then we all are going to do the opinion again. You just restate your opinion. All right. So, um, So we could have four different beliefs, four different opinions, right? I could think winter is the best. Someone may think spring, summer, and fall are the best. So these are just some examples to help understand what we're doing. So if you think winter is the best, some of your reasons may be playing in the snow, making snow angels, making snow forts. Christmas is in the winter. You obviously get presents in the winter at Christmas. Valentine's Day is in the winter. You can drink hot chocolate in the winter. It is also cold in the winter. Some people may like the cold weather. That's their opinion. Some people may like spring. Right here, spring. In the spring, flowers bloom. Easter happens. The weather gets cooler and nicer. Um, we play outside a little bit more. Animals come back. The sun shines a lot more. Somebody may like the summer. There's no school. Baseball and softball start taking place. The pools are open. You go to the beach. Your family may go on vacation. It's hot outside, and there's fireworks on the 4th of July. So that may be some reasons why you like summer. Then fall, you get to carve pumpkins, go trick or treating, play in the leaves, the cool weather again. The weather is cool, and then football starts. So um, these are just some of the reasons why you may like each one of winter, spring, summer, or fall. All right. So then we're going to go. Everybody's going to see this paper, and it says the best season is. What is the best season? Summer, fall, winter, or spring? And then you're going to give at least three reasons why. So here's how we're going to start it. So I already, instead of writing it, So you'll have to write it in this box. And here's what I wrote. Everybody is going to begin with this. In my opinion. So, in my opinion, I think fall is the best. So, I like fall. Remember, that is my opinion. So, in my opinion, I think fall is the best season. All right. So, then down here, I have one, two, three reasons. So, here is my first reason. So, in these three boxes, I'm going to put um, my writing in there. So there's that magic word. First, I go trick or treating. I'm sure everybody loves to go trick or treating. So that is my first reason why I like fall. So, first, what do you think the next one's going to be? That's right, next. So, first, next. So, the next reason I like to play or like the fall is I can play in the leaves. I'm sure a lot of people like to play in the leaves. And then my third one, I'm not going to say third, I'm going to say, yep, that's right, last. So first, next, last. So last, I like to carve a pumpkin. So last, I like to carve a pumpkin. All right, so there are my three reasons. Then remember, if I go back to this, it said opinion, my three reasons, and then we skip that one, and then you need the opinion again. So, in my opinion, I think fall is the best season. First, I go trick or treating. Next, I can play in the leaves. Last, I carve a pumpkin. So then, I know there's not a box there. Whoops. So, that's not right. There it is. So, it's not there on yours, but maybe you can just make a note at the bottom. So it says, I restate my opinion and I just say again, fall is the best season. So that's all we're doing, boys and girls. I know you can do this. That's why us teachers are giving it to you because we know you can do it. So, what you're going to do is this is exactly what I have. In my opinion, I think fall is the best season. That's sentence number one. Sentence number two. First, I go trick or treating. Next, I can play in the leaves. Last, I carve a pumpkin. And then my last sentence is going to be a closing sentence. Fall is the best season. All right? So, this is called the rough draft. So, that's what you're going to do today. And then tomorrow, you're going to take these and write it on a nice clean sheet of paper. Um, so, um, in my opinion, I think fall's the best season. You write that on a separate sheet of paper. Then you go through and do your three reasons and then the last sentence. So, tomorrow, when you do your final draft, how many sentences will you have? Yep, you should have one, two, three, four, five. So, remember, if you're stuck and you can't think of reasons why, or you might say I like summer but I can't think of anything. So these reasons should help you. So if you're doing summer, you could say, in my opinion, I think summer is the best. First, there's no school. Next, I like to play baseball. Last, I love to go swimming. And then you just say summer is the best. So, like I said, it's pretty easy. You guys can do this. If you have any questions, you can contact your teacher. But I know you guys can do this. So I can't wait to read all of yours and see what your favorite season is. All right. So take care, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.